If you've been waiting for a power-packed, feature-loaded 5G smartphone that won't break the bank, Nokia is about to blow your mind. Rumors suggest this phone is a game-changer, with a 200-megapixel DSLR-level camera, a massive 8000 mAh battery, and insane performance, all for an unbelievable price. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about the Nokia X50 Pro 5G. In today's video, we'll dive into the full features, price, and launch date of this stunning phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia X50 Pro 5G. Display. This smartphone is expected to flaunt a 6.89-inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. When it comes to camera quality, this phone is a beast. It's rumored to feature a quad camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary camera, second 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, third 16-megapixel macro camera, and an 5-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a 64-megapixel front camera is expected to deliver stunning selfies. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is likely to run on the latest Android 16 OS, and be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, ensuring blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Battery and charging. The 8000 mAh battery is the real showstopper here, promising 2-3 days of usage on a single charge. And if that wasn't enough, it might also support 120-watt fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The estimated price is around $399, but the final price will be confirmed after launch. As for the release date, expect this beast to hit the market early in 2026.